Recently, on social media, an alert news was floating. Perhaps US President Donald Trump had directed that his Slovenian-boughten wife and children be deported. While sources tell that US President has not issued such like directions. So much so that it was whirled on social media by some account on Facebook that the Supreme Court has made a ruling whereby the president went bent to issue directions to deport his family. This news spread when, on the 11th of July 2025, a video appeared on social media, Facebook, wherein it was shown that the US Supreme Court has issued such directions. It was captioned like this: "The US Supreme Court has just ordered President Donald Trump to deport his wife and children." However, it appeared that the voiceover was AI generated. This voice also claimed that the court held that the grandparents of Trump and Melania, grandparents came to America without proper documentation and illegally. On the other hand, neither the US Supreme Court nor Trump has done.has been claimed in the video. It is also not a logical view that Trump would issue directions against his his.oen family. It also appears fake about that the US Supreme Court has held an order against the acting US president.